What's up, you guys? We're right now outside the Hong Kong International Airport, Terminal 1. We're gonna fly Philippine Airlines X Garuda Boeing 777-300ER back home to Manila. Welcome aboard the Philippine Airlines Garuda Indonesia Boeing 777-300ER. TV screen over here, and inside my seat pocket I still have the Philippine Airlines 777 safety card and still the Palma Boy magazine. What's unique about this aircraft is I have a footrest. And however, my seat doesn't have a direct window. Another odd thing beside this headphone jack on the armrest is the remote that's on the armrest. Underneath my seat is a USB-A port and the universal port.
Right, welcome everyone on board Philippine Airlines ER 019 service line for Manila. Expect to report to students passengers Boeing 777 for a flight of 1 hour and 40 minutes. Looks good even. Thank you. We will update you the latest arrival information as we have taken over the once we have ready for flight Philippine Airlines start of
PR 319 patungong Manila. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR 319 bound for Manila. Our pilot in command is Captain Ina Patrimonio. With her is First Officer Paul Guevara, and this is Christine Castro, your flight purser. Our estimated flight time is approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes, and we shall be cruising at an altitude of 33,000 feet.
Look at the car. See? Yellow car. Red car. Look at the small bus. Are you seeing the bus? Oh yeah, you're right, the bus. Very good. Yay! Out.
Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. Due to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the footrest stowed. Once again, welcome on board Philippine Airlines.
For the in-flight entertainment system, there's plenty of movies you can watch. Like Superman, How to Train Your Dragon, Bad Guys, Ford v Ferrari, and here are the TV shows. And for music, we have lots of iconic music. And the About Us page, you have destinations, Hawaii miles, news, and the My Flight page, not a full map, just flight information. Here's the list of all the planes Philippine Airlines flies. Smallest that they have are in Dash 8, then A320s, then A321s, A330s, A350-900, 777, then the newest is the A350-1000. For the in-flight meal, we got fish fillet with rice, yang chow fried rice, and the other option is chicken and oyster sauce with steamed rice. And I just got Wars for beverage.
We are approximately 173 nautical miles north of Manila, and in a few minutes we shall begin our descent. Based on the latest weather report, expecting fair weather with moderate winds coming from the east, ground temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Weather and traffic permitting, we expect to arrive in Manila 55 minutes past around 3 in the afternoon. At this point, we would like to thank everyone for flying Philippine Airlines. It's been our pleasure to serve you, and we hope you enjoy the flight. Maraming salamat po at pabuhay.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be informed that the Bureau of Customs has fully implemented the e-travel customs system. All arriving passengers can now fill out the Electronic Customs Baggage Declaration Form, or ECBDF, and the Electronic Currencies Declaration Form, or ECDF, as applicable at the e-travel website at etravel.gov.ph or by downloading the eGov.ph application within 72 hours prior to your arrival in the Philippines. Please have your completed e-travel registration code ready upon arrival to facilitate your clearance. If you have not done your e-travel registration, approach any of our ground staff for assistance. We also would like to remind our passengers of the strict implementation of the following rules on cross-border transfer of currencies. Any person who brings into or takes out of the Philippines foreign currency in excess of $10,000 or its equivalent is required to declare the whole amount brought into or taken out of the Philippines in the ECBF. For Philippine currency, a person may bring into or take out of the Philippines an amount not exceeding 50,000 pesos. Amounts in excess of the limit shall require a prior written authorization from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and declaration of the whole amount brought into or taken out of the Philippines in the ECDF. False declaration or non-declaration of Philippine or foreign currencies and monetary instruments shall result to confiscation by customs authorities. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please be advised that the Philippine government is very serious in its implementation of control measures against African swine fever. If you are bringing in meat or meat products, including including fresh, processed, semi-processed, cured and cooked meat. Declare them upon arrival using the customs declaration form and show upon entry their corresponding permits and clearances. Insufficient documents will result to confiscation of the said product, and this violation is subject to Philippine government laws. Everyone is reminded that all persons and baggage are subject to a search at any time, as mandated by Customs Law, Sections 2210 and 2212. Thank you for your cooperation and we wish you a nice stay in Manila. Fever. While traveling abroad, we remind you to take preventive measures. Please wear loose, light-colored, long-sleeve tops and trousers when possible, and apply insect repellent to exposed skin and clothing. For more information on infectious diseases, you may visit the CHP's thematic website.
Welcome to NAIA. Sorry. This plane is a 6, 7 out of 10 because the TV screen looks a bit old, and however the AC is alright, and 333 configuration.